This is Chris Marr. Thanks for tuning in with Legal Questions and Answers. Today I want to talk to you briefly about custody. Custody cases in New York typically are adjudicated or decided in the family courts. There's family courts in every county in New York. You can have a custody case whether you're married to the other parent of the child or not. You can have a custody case if you are not the parent but are the grandparent or some other interested party. Those cases are not cases I'm going to talk about today. The cases I'll talk about briefly are parent cases. Who's a parent? Who is the primary caregiver of the child? Typically, these cases start when the child is born. If the parties are married or not married, it doesn't matter. If the parties are married and live together in certain counties, courts will not decide custody cases. They will wait till the parties separate and don't live, at least one of them, physically with the child. The rules involving custody cases differ. There are physical custody issues that have to be decided. Those are issues about where the child will live physically. I always say, what bed does the child go to bed in every night, okay, or most nights? Legal custody is a separate concept. Legal custody, people typically say, I have legal custody. Legal custody is separate from physical custody. Legal custody can be joint legal custody where the parties share equal rights. Understand that when you go to court and you have agreed to custody, you have made an agreement. Sometimes people call me up and I already have a custody agreement. You agreed at some point to some degree that whoever you were in the custody battle, if you will, and very often it is a pitched battle, that person is as good a parent as you. Understand that once you make that agreement in court, it's not as easy as many people seem to think to change it. So I will address legal custody first. Legal custody is, as I said, equal, or one has sole legal custody, the other has sole legal custody. If you give up your legal custodial rights, understand that trying to someday get them back, unless something shocking has happened, like the other parent who has legal custody developed a drug problem and they're not addressing it, or has gotten into a criminal situation and hasn't addressed it. Short of that, you're done. For more, I'll get back to you at some further time. This is Chris Marr. Call the numbers or contact me at the bottom of the screen.